For this video, we are going to solve for the determinant that is expressed in terms of the coefficients given, because we don't have exact values for A in the first 2 by 2 matrix and for C in our second 3 by 3 matrix. So we'll be left with these variables as representative of coefficients. But either way, we can solve for the determinants. For the determinant, let's call this, let's say this is A and this is C, just for labeling purposes. The determinant of A for a 2 by 2 matrix is just computed as the result of, or the product of AB minus BC, but so as not to be confused with what is A and what is C, these two. So you will have here A minus 3, A minus 2, subtracted with 5 times negative 3. Okay, so you will have this using the FOIL method. You have A squared minus 3A minus 2A, that's minus 5A, plus 6 and plus 15. Okay, so the determinant of A is A squared minus 5A plus 21. So this is now the final form of our determinant. We are not yet to solve for what is the value of A, for we are not given with the value of determinant. If this determinant will be equal to 0, then that's another story. So let's start. Again, the flow here is this minus this one here. So for this next matrix, we're going to use this process, multiply those, and multiply this as well, and this minus the results of this results, the product of this and that as well. But then again, we will not be solving for the value of C here, but the representative of a algebraic representative of our determinant. So let's start. So I coined it the C, or matrix C as a whole. So that's why I could make it here determinant of C. Again, this is just for labeling purposes. So first we have C times 1 times 2. So I have 2C. Next, negative 4 times C squared is negative 4C squared times 4. So you have minus 16C squared. Then 3 times 2, that's 6 times this. So that's again 6. So plus 6C minus 6. Take this, 3 times 2 is 6 times a binomial. So 6 times C is 6C, then negative 1 minus 6. This is for the first flow. The second flow is from upper right to lower left. You have 3 times 1 times 4, that's 12. You will be subtracting here the entire expression of the result of the second flow, that's 12 first. Next, C squared times C. Let me use this space here because we have 3 C's to be multiplied. So you have C squared times C minus 1 times C. So multiplying this first, you have C cubed times C minus 1. So you have C to the power of 4 minus C cubed. Let me check again. C squared times C is C cubed times this binomial. So you have C cubed, C to the power of 4 minus C cubed. So that's what we're going to add it here. Plus C to the power of 4 minus C cubed. And finally, for the last, you have 2 times 2 is 8 times negative, 2 times 2 is 4. Sorry, my bad. Times negative 4 is minus, minus 16. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, yes. Then you break the grouping symbols. You have 2C minus 16C squared plus 6C minus 6 minus 12 minus C to the power of 4 plus C cubed and plus 16. Let me check the signs. You have positive to negative, negative to positive, negative to positive. Okay, that's right. So the representation for the determinant of C in this 3 by 3 matrix is arranging the polynomials in decreasing degrees. So we'll have negative c to the power 4 plus c cubed minus 16c squared. You add this 2, you'll have plus 8c, and then you have this, this, and this. So minus 6 minus 12, that's minus 18, so plus 16, minus 2. Again, let me check. Minus c to the power 4 plus c cubed minus 16c squared. This is 8c. This is minus 18. And you will have here plus 16 is minus 2. This is now your representative algebraic expression for your determinant for this 3 by 3 matrix. Again, we are not yet solving about the values of the coefficients a and c, for we don't know the exact value of determinants. Thank you for watching.